The other project I'm working on is the Viejas Residence. It's located in the county district of San Diego rather than the city, so we're working with some different code. It's a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom with a large attached workshop. The client is really passionate about working on cars. He has an entire mechanical space that he'd like to include in this project. It's also located on quite a large property, so we have to include septic, water, propane, and solar power throughout the site, in addition to encompassing the views for the project itself. The challenges we've come across in the Viejas project is attempting to allow code to have an attached large workshop to the residence itself. So incorporating the shed design into the modern home itself and allowing both of them to have access to views while still acoustically separating the spaces between each other. The best part about Viejas so far, in my opinion, is the client has been really open to our ideas. He's allowed us to build a garage door with aluminum and glass into the living room, so it has a direct access to the backyard and the big view space to allow a lot of ventilation to come in, and also has been pretty open to a relatively modern kitchen look. We're quite happy with the interior aesthetic of the structure, and so is he. And going back and forth with him has been a really enjoyable experience.